Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Chris Williams will be stepping down as CEO of the investment house he co-founded, Proven, in January, and will turn his attention to creating a private sector entity to promote foreign direct investment in Jamaica. It will be called Spark FDI. This new company will be headquartered in New York, and Williams has already begun recruiting a CEO and supporting personnel. Spark FDI will be directing investment opportunities to JSC securities, mutual funds, real estate, and private placement. Spark FDI will be an investment promotion agency, which is essentially a marketing company. Companies on the stock exchange are reporting a mixed bag of results in their financial statements for the previous quarters. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited, manufacturing and distribution, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, reports net profit of $319.84 million Jamaican dollars. Restaurant and Real Estate Holding Group, KLE Group Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, reports a net loss of $20.23 million Jamaican dollars. Food and beverage distribution firm Everything Fresh Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, reports a 47% decline in net profit attributable to shareholders. Data protection and information technology firm T-Tech Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, reports a 9-month net loss of $74,000 Jamaican dollars. Logistics Hub Kingston Wharves Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, had a net profit of $2.18 billion Jamaican dollars. Investment House Barita Investments Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, reported a 14% increase in year-end net profit. Food and beverage distributor Derrimon Trading Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2024, reports a profit of $115.96 million Jamaican dollars. During trading for the period of November 15, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Data protection and information technology firm T-Tech Limited, with 21,242,055 units, represents 46.07% of the market volume in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 6,861,244 units, represents 14.88% of the market volume in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 2,851,142 units, represents 6.18% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On November 15, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $38.43 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $51.99 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $159.30 and bought US dollars for $157.72. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.58, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.63 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.73 and bought for $112.10. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.59, selling it for $202.84 and buying it for $198.25. For our credit tip of the day, we know that freelancing comes with freedom, but inconsistent income can make financial planning and credit building difficult. Many freelancers face challenges not only in meeting their financial goals, but positioning themselves for investment opportunities in this high interest rate and rising asset price environment. So here's where relationships matter. Building connections with a banker and an accountant can help you improve your credit. A trusted banker helps you navigate credit options, while an accountant ensures that your finances and tax filings are in order, both critical steps towards stabilizing your financial foundation. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.